Hey there, my name is Teacher Maria, and I'm from the Philippines. I am teaching English as a foreign language certified English tutor. I am passionate about helping students become more confident English speakers, whether learning English for school, work, travel, or prepare for opportunities abroad. I'm here to guide you step by step. I understand that learning new language isn't always easy. You may feel nervous about speaking or worry about mistakes. That's completely normal. In my class, mistakes are part of learning process. Every lesson is a chance to improve. My teaching style is patient, friendly, and interactive and engaging. I believe that students learn best way when they feel comfortable and encouraged. Together, we'll practice speaking, improve grammar and pronunciation, build vocabulary, and develop confidence to communicate in real life situations. My goal isn't just to teach English. It's to help you use English with confidence in your everyday life, whether you're preparing for a job interview, communicating with international clients, or simply wanting to speak more fluently. We'll work together to achieve your goals. So book a lesson with me today and see you in my class. Have a great day.